Well, hello. So we got a Ford Focus. One of these wheel lugs, clearly it had a flat, but they said it was rounded. So anyways, I banged a 12 point on and the whole lug is turning. Hopefully this will work out. I'm gonna show you guys a little secret. We can take this whole fucking assembly off, grind that off from the back so we don't have to destroy the rim. So this is a 30 mil. Let's see if this works. It'll take some jiggling, but it'll come off. I don't have a stand, but I'll show you guys after. They left me a present. But there, as you can see, crisis averted. Someone put a new wheel lug in. I have to figure out which one it is. I got a grinder. Gotta grind it off. He can drive with just 3 lugs. I didn't bring my torque wrench, but I'm pretty good at putting wheel bearings on. Plus I'm gonna have to take it back off to replace the stud in a day or two. But I'll give you guys the torque specs anyways when I figure them out. Okay, so I just put the socket on. As you can see, can you see? There, it's spinning. So you're grinding off the back, pull it out, pop the other ones off. You got a winter tire. We'll put the hub back on and there you go. Okay, so it turns out a grinder doesn't fit in there. I used a die grinder. I don't know. You have to figure it out. Pounded a new stud in. Luckily it was the knurls on the bolt that was stripped and not the casting. I found a torque spec of 120 Newton meters. So put this on, torque it down, put the new winter tire on. You're gonna want to, like, when you torque these, spin it. Put the new winter tire on and there you go. Torque them down. Oh, there you go. Hope this helps. Like and subscribe. You know, all that jazz. I guess this can be considered Street Mechanics episode 3.